Today I share the some questions in Army Public School November 21 first shift biology questions. These are the absolutely correct questions. Okay, number one question is Cara green from the red algae. Carotenoids produce the hormone ABA. Polystyl evolution is presented in pteridophytes. Synandrous means both stamens remain united by the both filament and anthers. Triple fission as discovered by the Navashin. Epiphyte plants example Vanda. Photosynthetic roots are presented in Teniophyllum plant. Cladophyll example Asparagus. Pillowed example Australian acacia. Palm plant leaf is a compound leaf. Which part is modified in leaf of the pitcher plant? Okay, leaf apex is modified to convert in the pitcher. Okay, spike example Varisa sativa indica. Medicinal plants. Okay, example belladonna. This belladonna. This is the medicinal plant. It is also called Atropa belladonna. Ashwagandha scientific name Withania somnifera. This one is the belong to the Solanaceae family. False fruits example cashew and apple is the better example of the false fruits. And cassia estivation type is the imbricate. Pome example apple. Here apple scientific name is also asked. Okay, apple scientific name is the Pyrus malus. Legume plants. Okay, legume plants placentation type is the marginal placentation. Berries example brinjal or tomato. Polyembryony example citrus. Groundnut scientific name is the Arachis hypogea. Apical meristem theory is called estrogen theory. Stem tuber example potato. Artificial gene is discovered by the Hargobind Khorana. William Sonia plant discovered by the Birbal Sahni. He was a famous scientist and he also conducted several experiments on fossil plants. Okay, triple fission. Okay, means the polar nuclei. In polar nuclei is contained the three nucleus. Okay, or two female nucleus, one is a male nucleus. It is fused to convert into triple fission. The triple fission is called trion. The trion product is called endosperma. Okay, and comes to the geitonogamy, means here the fertilization of a flower by pollen from another flower on the same plant. This is called geitonogamy. Emasculation means removal of the anthers from the flower. It is called emasculation. Casted. Okay, casted is the endospermic seed. Scutellum. What is the meaning of the scutellum? Means large sealed shaped cotyledon is called scutellum. Okay, dicotyledonous seeds outer layer is called testa. Seed dormancy is removed by the gibberellic acid. Apomixis means without fertilization the seed is formed. Okay, in which family? Asteraceae family. Okay, example Tridas procombines. And next one, red chili scientific name is the Capsicum frutescens. Chromosomal theory chemoosmotic hypothesis occurs at lumen. Okay, where in lumen. Okay, and ADP is converted to ATP by the action of the ATP synthetase. Okay, it is this process occur in stroma by the concentration of the hydrogen ions. Euchromatin is a dark stained. Okay, and next one, chromatin presented in a eukaryotic nucleus. Silky hairs are presented in a tomato. Okay, they given the options for only. We choose the only tomato having the silky hairs. Bulliform cells. Bulliform cells are present in monocots. Large empty colorless cells are called bulliform cells. These are present in monocots. Okay, two most climatic zones are called biomes. Okay, the largest climatic zones are called biome. Okay, cambium function. So cambium is a divide the xylem and phloem. Okay, these are that kind of vascular bundles are kind of consigned to open vascular bundle. Okay, next one. Root cap is presented in the Pistia plant. Pistia plant. Okay, multi-layered epidermis is presented in a Nerium. This is a desert plant. Desert plant. Mustard. The mustard. Okay, seeds are the belonging to the Cruciferae family. Cruciferae family or Brassicaceae. It is also called Brassicaceae. Wheat scientific name Triticum vulgare. It is belonging to the Poaceae family. Heterocysts are presented in the nostoc. A ribbon-like chloroplast are presented in the Spirogyra. Bioluminescence as produced by the Noctiluca. Retides or toxic water is produced by the Guanylux. Photosensitive stigma is presented in the Euglena. Where in Euglena? Free living parasites example Trypanosoma. Phycomycetes example Rhizopus. Phycomycetes, this one is also called algal fungi. Lichens are the good indication of good pollution indicators. Herbals, they identified and described medicinal plants. Okay, herbals means these are books. Herbalist write in the herbals. Okay, chromosomal theory is proposed by the Sutton and Theodore Boveri. Petroplant example Jatropha and Pongamia pinnata. Agaricus means mushroom. Agaricus means mushroom. These are the botany questions in biology. Okay, these are all the correct questions.